Hey guys, it's Miss Hendry. All right, so we're going to be picking up. We had chapel yesterday. We're going to be picking up with our day 2 from Hannah and Samuel. All right, this is found in 1 Samuel chapter 1 all the way to chapter 2 and verse 21. So we talked about how babies are so fun and how that there was a sweet lady in the Bible named Hannah who really wanted a baby. She was so sad because she had not had a baby yet, and she loved God, and so she started to pray. Every year they visited the temple to pray. Hannah and her husband, they would go into the temple and they would pray, and Hannah began to really ask God to give her a baby. And so she prayed and she made a promise to God. She said, if you will give me a son, I will give him back to you. I promise. And so one day in particular, Eli the priest saw her praying and asked her what was wrong with her. And she said, I am a woman of great sadness. Eli said, let it be done. Whatever you are praying for, let it be done. All right, friends, we're going to pick up with the rest of the story tomorrow, okay?